2026.
Ka KHDC kelasaki ya ke jingkulmar hagasi thoding hadian bo nong yalam ke Liang Pyrshah uba tita star well khan ula yalam khmat bermi na ki yang dorbar uba titos ula Kynnoh ba la Kyntait ya u banyakren halor ke khasi service rule arjar arpun riu bat ula ong ba kania ke de ke jingpendu ya ke hok jong kidong mi khmat paidbah Shwaban mi no ula kintu ya ke executive committee bala pinthun ya ke Jingiatai bat ke shep tiang ban island ya ke Liang Pyrshah Hindre usong knor ke KHDC uba strong pillar kharjana ula ong bakarai la shim kat kum ki Kyndon trekam jong ke yeng dorbar bat am shim ladon kanu ke jingthmu ban khanglat ya u ban kren u CEM uba Winston Tony Lingdo ula kershan ya karai jong usong knor da ka baong ba ke jinyai kalong kat kum ki rules jong ka council
Kata service rule ke bom dan AA nang betagi nang trade. Coba move clause by clause. Mr. Chairman, sir, Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to move that clause 2 of the rule do not stand part of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Service Rule 2026. Nongpoh Subhaswa.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.